In today's video, I want to show you guys what you can do if your USB Wi-Fi adapter is not working. Okay, for this, we can go into the search bar. Here we look for the device manager. So click on this, and here in the device manager, we click on the arrow on the left here on network adapters. And what we can do here is we look for our USB adapter. If it doesn't show up here, we can click on actions and then scan for hardware changes. So after that, it should be here. And what we can do, right click on it, and then if it is disabled, enable it. And what we also can do is like click on update driver and then browse my computer for drivers, and here we can click on let me pick a list of available drivers on my computer, and then here we can select the first driver, click on next, and then we can install the driver. What we also can do is right click on it. We can also update the driver here and search automatically for drivers, or browse in like our disk here in the local disk for best drivers. And what we also can do, if this doesn't help, we can go into the search bar. Here we type in CMD, then run as an administrator. Here click on yes, and now we type in this command here, so net winsock reset. So then type it in, click on enter, and this is all you have to do. After that, your problem should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.